Welcome to Web Design Study Program Part 3. Headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading. H6 defines the least important heading. Here is an example. The hour tag defines a thematic break in an HTML page, and is most often displayed as a horizontal rule. The hour element is used to separate content in an HTML page. The HTML head element is a container for metadata. HTML metadata is data about the HTML document. Metadata is not displayed. The head element is placed between the HTML tag and the body tag. The HTML-P element defines a paragraph. The HTML-BR element defines a line break. Use BR if you want a line break, a new line, without starting a new paragraph. The HTML-Pre element defines pre-formatted text. The text inside a pre-element is displayed in a fixed-width font, usually Courier, and it preserves both spaces and line breaks.